government shutdown caused a small rise in unemployment rate in January, and we expect it to be reversed in this report. We look for the unemployment rate to fall by 1/10 to 3.9%. Elsewhere, we forecast average hourly earnings to increase by 0.3%.
Oh, you really need to stop doing that.
What's that?
Eating your microphone. This is very noisy.
Is it? It's just because it was very low, so I just moved it up a little bit.
All right. Five minutes to go. Damn, everybody's so lazy.
Well, when they all get fucked over by the NFP because it's moved against them and they weren't aware that it's happening, they'll all join and say, "What happened? What happened?"
You dumb, that's happening.
The way. Yeah, it's always the way.
What's going on, my fucking home dogs?
What's up, Meepo? How we doing?
Howdy.
We diddling.
Finally, my whoring worked off.
Well, you are in Thailand. What else is there to do but whore around?
That's true. Somebody's gotta do it.
Here we go. Now we're picking up some steam.
Nonfarm's gonna hit 220. 220 plus. Who's crazy enough to trade it?
Fuck no, I got out flat about an hour ago.
I got flat like 6 hours ago. Oh,
I
this
can't really
would-
pay attention to it.
I could have got 3 times the profit if I'd held this dollar Swiss trade, but it was it still looks good. It still looks really good.
Oh, my Kiwi dollar target was just hit. I just got an email from C-Trader.
So car news there, Damon says it's fully cooperating with authorities on the cartel probe. That's getting one.
Dollar's moving quick.
Just to quickly go over the numbers again then, for non-farm payrolls, we're looking for a February of 180,000, that's consensus from 304,000 last month. The range 94 to 263,000. Private payrolls seen at 170,000 versus 296,000, the range 130 to 220,000. Unemployment rate expected at 3.9%, down from 4%, the range 3.7 to 4.1. Average earnings seen at 0.3% versus 0.1%, the range 0.1 to 0.4. Average work week hours at 34.5 is on hold from last month, and the range is 34.5. Last month, labour force participation was 63.2%. Underemployment U6 was 8.
Oh, euro is going up
We'll
nicely.
also get building permits, housing starts. As for housing starts, they're seen at 1.197 million versus 1.078 million last month. Last month we saw a drop of 11.2%. Building permits expected at 1.289 million versus 1.326 million last time round. Quick look at Canada, and we're looking for a net change in employment rising by 1,200.
Hey, Omega.
66,800 last month. Unemployment rate
Omega
seen on
man.
5.8% in Canada.
Good morning.
Hourly wage rate for permanent workers seen at 1.7%, down from 1.8. Participation rate seen at 65.6, which would leave it unchanged. And we'll get full-time, part-time employment change as well. I'll read out obviously US non-farm data, then Canadian jobs data, and then we'll come back to housing data out of the States.
Alright, 2 minutes.
2
Open
minutes.
sesame.
Okay.
It says allegations do not involve price fixing.
Nothing happened yet.
I told you everyone was going to be joining because they don't know what's going on.
Everybody ready to lose their money?
Hell yeah.
Allahu Akbar.
Always.
So I got $5 going for a long, and then 30 seconds later, $20 going short. Yeah.
Wait to nuke your account balance. Trade the NFP.
Yep.
All in. Anything less than 96% margin is not acceptable.
Look, if it dips, I'll buy. If it pumps, I'll sell. Problem solved.
That's how it's done.
But then it pumps again. And then again. And then again.
To be fair, I've never really traded it. I've only come across it all once in my life by accident. And what
100
an
minutes to go here.
Alright, 1 minute to go. Fire in the hole.
And there go the spread.
Oh yeah.
Oh, where's the ask line? It just disappeared. I don't know, it's still 0. It was just a clip. Short glimpse. US dollar Sing is wide. Oh, that's nice. Euro USD still good.
Dollar Swiss is starting to spread.
Oh yeah. US Sing too. Gold as well. I should hit the buy button on gold.
10 seconds.
Is
we
gold
go.
affected by NFP at all?
Yes.
Yeah.
There we go.
20,000, 20,000 there, revised 311,000. 20,000, 3.8% unemployment rate. Average earnings up 0.4%, 0.4 average earnings on the month.
Whoa,
Okay.
NFP is
34.4.
hugely negative.
Labour force
Holy shit.
participation 63.2%.
It just bought gold.
7.3%. Private payrolls 25,000. Manufacturing payrolls just 4,000. Government payrolls fell by 5,000. Just to recap then, 20,000 for the headline number from revised 311,000. 2-month average change up 12,000. In Canada, we see net change at 55,900. Unemployment rate at 5.8%.
Got conflicting data.
Average hourly rate permanent at 2.2%. And we saw 65.8 for
Positive
full-time
wages, but
participation
negative NFP.
Yeah, it's always like
Employment
this.
change was up 67,400. Part-time fell by 11,600. And capacity utilization now out of Canada 81.7%.
What a clusterfuck. Canada news is coming in at the exact same time.
All just a big fake.
Well, I made $10 that trade.
Nice. Go buy yourself a pizza. You know full well that you risk your entire account balance to get that pizza.
No, Jesus.
Hell yeah.
20k, holy shit. Has anyone ever seen an NFP that much miss the mark?
Well, consensus is pretty much always inaccurate with NFP.
Yeah, pretty
It's
much
almost-
always.
Thing is, it's almost always accurate with bank rates, but it's almost always inaccurate with NFP.
But this much of a gap? 20 to 180?
That I haven't seen before.
Should have kept my short.
Construction lost 31,000 jobs on the reporting month, which affected some of the numbers.
Yeah, well, that's why I don't really believe in these numbers anyway.
Again, now this government
up
shutdown
for
and coming
interpretation.
back to work was said to be a contributing factor as well to these numbers today.
Everything else is good. Except NFP.
That's a nice wick on Euro USD.
Well, show's over.
Yeah, looks like it. That was short fun.
Literally.
It took me too long to log in on because I bought gold right before NFP and reversed it to sell. But this took me too long. Didn't get 100% of the spike.
I think housing starts out 1.23 million for housing starts, which was a beat from expectations after revised 1.037. As a change, that was a rise of 18.6% after a fall of 14%. Building permits then at 1.345 million, also a beat. That was a rise of 1.4%.
In all fairness, I'm tempted to short U-Swiss again. It's treating support as resistance. And it's just cleared out a bunch of support. It's a valid setup. Nah, can't be asked. Too much effort.
Yeah.
Pressing the sell button is just requires more effort than I'm prepared to give.
Looks like gold is gonna get back up. Oh yeah, the dollar starts to drop again. Well, let's see.
Yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna start selling. $10,862. That's definitely a setup here. Dollar Swiss broke below structure again. Yeah, I'm gonna bet on a continuation of this downtrend on the dollar.
You got White House Trade Advisor Cleet Williams says trade talks with the European Union progressing well. Got whiplash looking at the charts. That was a quick 10 pips. Okay, me done for the day.
Yeah, it looks like we're done.
Traded the retracement on that dollar movement and then traded it back to the bottom again. Only about 0.3%, but whatever.
Yeah, news trading is completely nonsense. Because you cannot put in large size unless you want to go broke.
Yeah, I mean, news trading makes no sense, but trading the structure that's formed after the news makes a lot of sense.
Sure, trading the fade, yeah, that's a different game. Completely different game.
So, President Trump, this is a good time as I can remember to be an American worker with the strongest economy in the world. President Trump.
Sorry.
Take a look at divergence. Cat's gone crazy.
Well, how was it before? Let me just scroll up. I made it before.
Imagine shorting dollar CAD. I didn't even have that chart open. I should have done.
But CAD was positive already. Yeah, but the dollar was pretty much at zero, so this was a 50-50 game. No divergence, basically.
Makes sense.
Are the US markets in pre-open, or are they open?
They're not open yet, I don't think. Or are they? Not sure.
They're open in 20 minutes? Ish?
Okay, cool. Yeah, I was wondering why I was paying so much margin. So much, yeah. Not margin, fucking spread. Bring back that smile and make it worthwhile.
Let's do this. I think we're not. I think pre-market opens in 15. I'm not sure when New York actually opens properly. I don't really trade it, so it's not something I look at. Oh, well, that's me done. I'm outie. See you later.
Alright, have fun.
It's alright, we're one of a kind, we'll leave you behind. And all through the night, when we're running blind, I got love on my mind.
Alright, I'm gonna stop the live stream.
So Cleet Williams again says, made progress on China talks, but still much work left to be done. White House Trade Advisor Cleet Williams. Not the name. That's White House Advisor Cleet Williams then. Made progress on China talks, but still much work left to be done. Echoing comments there by the ambassador to China.